Hi, my name is Katie Scribner, and I am from your Human Growth and Development class. So I chose to do my research video on an article that I read in my class, Development of the Young Child. The article is called The Circle of Courage, and it is about the Native American philosophy of raising children. So the philosophy contains 4 stages. The stages are the spirit of generosity. The spirit of generosity consists of a character that is cultivated by concern for others so that the child can say, I have purpose for my life. So children in the Native American culture are encouraged to give everything that they have to anyone in need. This is important for a community because a sense of giving and giving back to others makes you feel more of value for yourself, that you are needed, that you are wanted, that you're a kind person. The second stage is the spirit of independence. Free will is cultivated by responsibility so that the child can say, I have the power to make decisions. This is important in the child's development because you can discipline your child and you can tell them that what they need to do is what they need to do, but when you're not around, they need to make their own choices, and you need to make sure that they are independent enough to make the right choices, that they are getting the right values. The third stage is called the spirit of mastery. The inborn thirst for learning is cultivated by learning to cope with the world. The child can say, I can succeed. So the importance of the spirit of mastery makes me think of the zone of proximal development, which is that the child is succeeding at their own rate. So you are scaffolding them. You are making sure that they are challenged, but not too challenged. The fourth is the spirit of belonging. The universal longing for human bonds is cultivated by relationships of trust so that the child can say, I am loved. This makes me think of attachment, belonging, feeling loved. So I think these complete the development of an ideal candidate for the successful, compassionate community. So this is the value system of the Native American culture compared to American culture. When college students were asked what values they feel the most emphasis on in our American culture, the majority answered wealth-based success. In a society where that is unachievable for everyone, something such as the values of generosity and honesty need to have a bigger emphasis. Moral obligation to do what is right for your community before yourself is what defines the Native American philosophy. This is relevant to our class because it has extremely relevant points to the successful development socially and morally of children, teens, and young adults. I found this article to be very helpful. I share it with my parents. When you're parenting your child, you think back to the objectives, the goals, and the values, what you want them to get from what you are teaching them. And I think these are some really good values to think about when you're teaching your children, not that they need to be good and they'll get a cookie, any reward-based system, but they need to do something good to feel good about themselves. So, thanks. Also, any information on the article as far as resources is located in the description of the video. So this article was written by Larry K. Brendtro, Martin Brokenleg, and Steve Van Bockern, and other sources are also listed there as well. Thanks.